Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the essentials are active: Bluetooth, location, and the same account signed in on both devices. Once done, open the appropriate app. Find My on iPhone, Google Find My Device, or your watchmaker's app. Tap the paired watch in the device list. This initiates a connection and pulls the watch's last known location. Make sure permissions are granted, location and notifications, so the app can request the watch to play sound or update its position. Now use the app's active tools. First, press play sound so the watch rings or vibrates. Listen carefully, even under cushions. While the sound plays, watch the map for the live or last seen location. Follow the blue dot or distance indicator to close the gap. If your app offers a find nearby or signal strength meter, move slowly and watch the reading rise. This narrows direction. Repeat play sound as you get closer, and check common hiding spots where the watch could be muffled. Finish by systematically searching the area indicated on the map: pockets, couch seams under furniture, and inside the car, using play sound repeatedly to confirm. If you can't reach it, enable lost mode or lock it remotely and add a contact number on the lock screen. If the watch won't connect, troubleshoot. Reboot the phone, toggle Bluetooth and location, and check the watch battery. A dead battery shows last seen only. If nothing helps, revisit the last seen location and contact support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.